talking about a very common problem called shooting your tail or shooting your slide, depending on who you're talking to. It involves when you push your legs out too fast and your body doesn't come with it. What this looks like is that. And then it's very heavy on your body and your arms, and your legs actually don't wind up doing anything in the stroke. So this is what we're trying not to do. So in order to do that, we make sure that we're pushing our upper body with our legs. So see what that motion looks like? And you keep this angle, and then you continue your stroke. Instead of, that's not what we want to do. Come back to what we do want to do, pushing that angle back, and keep it on going.